Hey there, thanks for watching this video. My name is Cecilia and today I wanted to show you the Owltron 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera. It comes in this box and on the back you can actually see what features you can expect from it. So why don't we take a moment now to actually unbox this little guy and see what he can do.
We have the box itself here. As you can see, the camera. Next to it we have the charger, as well as some nuts and bolts if you want to mount it, a lever, a charger, and a ruler. And we have the features that it presents. It was a two-way audio, motion detection, support TF card storage, cloud storage, panoramic patrol, night vision, encrypted, and multi-platform viewing. You will have to download an app to be able to access the camera on your phone, which is super easy. You either go to Google Play or Apple Store. Let me show you what it looks like when I put the camera in my office. Who might we find in my office? Let's have a look. Aha! It's Atlas, my dog. I might have hid some treats for him in there. Now we can also switch to night mode. This is pretty cool. Have a look. Let's see if we can find him again. See his tail. I think he can hear the camera moving around a little bit. On another note, we can also try the two-way speaking system.
Hey there, Cecilia. Really good. I see you're in the office.
I am in my office. Great.
If you try the three dotted lines on the main page of the security camera, you can see all the other features that you can play with as well. Enjoy!